Welcome to CIMA SCS Course Review. We are going to analyze the CIMA SCS Course from Astranti, what it includes, and its pros and cons. CIMA SCS Course includes complete pre-scene pack, which includes pre-scene analysis video, strategic analysis, top 10 issues, industry analysis, and pre-scene knowledge questions. Next, tuition videos, which includes what does it take to pass the exam planning and writing, and how to score high marks on the pre-scene, ethics document and video. CIMA SCS study texts, how to pass the strategic case study and theory, to live and recorded online masterclass, 4 full mock exams, fully interactive online mock exams with detailed mock solution. 60 case study exam style questions with solutions. Also, it includes 3 detailed mocking and feedback highlighting all of your strengths, weaknesses, and areas to improve. CIMA SCS Course Astranti includes 14-day money-back guarantee and pass guarantee, which it's showing it's risk-free for students. And finally, the cons, we can see only one con, that is the cost of the course. It's a little bit expensive, but if you go for an installment plan you can overcome that too. We hope this review helps to get an idea about CIMA SCS Course from Astranti. Check the link below in the description for full details of the Astranti CIMA SCS Course. Good luck with your CIMA SCS exam. To watch more CIMA-related videos and tips, click the subscribe and the bell button below. Thanks for watching this video.